Tripura is one of ancient princely state in Asia and very rich in culture. Now the princely state became part of India after merger agreement with India in 1949. But nowadays, only few people know about the rich culture and history of princely state Tripura. The princely state has been given birth to many famous persons and leaders. Amongst them, one of most dynamic person is Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Debbarma Bahadur, who is well known as father of modern architect of Tripura. And the entire planning of present-day Tripura was initiated during his rule. He was also an educationist. As per Rajmala, the royal chronicle book, for thousands years the Tripura kingdom was ruled by 184 kings, and Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Debbarma was one of them, who is most famous and also the last ruler of Tripura kingdom. Unfortunately, he died at a very young age of 39, but he achieved so much in very short lifetime though. He was born in 19 August 1908 and died in 17 May 1947. He was predecessor by his father Maharaja Birendra Kishore Manikya Bahadur and his mother was Maharani Arundhati Mahadevi. The legendary Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya married to Kanchan Prabha Devi, daughter of Maharaja Yadvendra Singh, the king of Panna state. Son Kirit Bikram Kishore Manikya Debbarma, daughter-in-law Bibhu Kumari Devi, grandson Pradyut Kishore Manikya Debbarma and granddaughter Pragya Kumari Debbarma. Maharaja Bir Bikram was a visionary and progressive king. He began assisting his father in matters of the state while continuing his formal studies and military education at both Shillong and Agartala. He was a good artist and an expert polo player as well. After his father Maharaja Birendra Kishore Manikya demise, he has a tremendous duty ahead of him, assuming the throne at the tender age of 16. He was invested with full power when he became 20 years of age in 1927. In first half of 20th century, many tracts of wasteland were converted to tea garden. The Forest Rule, the Arms Act, the Penal Code Amendment Act were enacted. The overall development of Tripura was planned during the reign of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya, who ensured progress in administration, education, health system, etc. Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya Debbarma built Tuijilikma Nuyong, popularly known as Nir Mahal. The Nir Mahal was built in the middle lake of Tuijilikma, now known as Rudrasagar. It took 9 years to complete from 1930 to 1938. MBB Airport is one of the oldest airport in India. Was built by Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Debbarma back in the year 1942. Singarbil was the name of airport first set up in Tripura, recently known as Agartala Airport, and now renamed as Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport. It has major historical significance as during the World War II, the airport was extensively used by the US Army. Maharaja Bir Bikram was encouraged by the progress of education in the West, so he came up with the plan to establish a college, which is included a College of Arts, Science, Agriculture, Technology. This was the Vidyapatan, which is now known as MBB College and University. He also established Bir Bikram Institute in Dharmanagar, and he established many schools and vocal orientation institutes in different parts of Tripura. Maharaja Bir Bikram was not only king of his own people Tiprasa, but he was also a savior of thousands non-indigenous people. He protected and supplied food to who migrated in Tripura as refugees during Dhaka riots in 1941. And again, Maharaja gave shelter to Hindu Bengali refugees who were affected by Bangladesh Noakhali riots in 1946. And he was a very good friend of poet Rabindranath Tagore, and he helped Rabindranath Tagore in his financial aid. He was the first king who visited America and Europe from 1931 to 1939. He was considered one of the pioneers for the land reforms. It was for his forsightness that he reserved land for the local indigenous people of Tripura, whose outcome is said to be the present TTAADC areas, that is Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Councils. Recently on 15 August, Chief Minister of Tripura declared renaming of TTAADC as Tripura Territorial Council. Maharaja Bir Bikram reorganized the armed forces, commissioning the 1st Battalion of Tripura Rifles that brought victory against the Japanese Imperial Army at the fronts of Burma and Arakan, on emerging victorious defeating the Japanese. These are the some victorious and great memorable life of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Debbarma. Today, Maharaja Bir Bikram is not between us, but he will always remain as an inspiration and good leader for everyone. If you find our video is helpful and informative, so please subscribe to our channel, comments, like and share. Hambai.